Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the block and choosing the right tool. If the site works for others, pick VPN for privacy, Smart DNS for speed, or Proxy for quick tests. Once done, create an account and subscribe if required. Make sure payment and authentication are set. Install the provider app on your device, desktop, or mobile, and grant necessary permissions. You should test a nearby country server first to gauge latency, and confirm the provider reports a secure connection before moving to the next step. You now configure and secure your connection. Open the VPN app and enable features like kill switch and DNS leak protection. These prevent leaks if the connection drops. Once enabled, select a server located in a country where the website is accessible, prioritizing lower ping for better performance. After connecting, clear browser cache or use a private window to avoid geocached redirects. Then verify your IP and DNS are changed. Once confirmed, navigate to the website and proceed as if you were in that country. You finish by ensuring stable access and handling common failures. If the site detects and blocks your VPN, switch servers or protocol, or try a different provider. Alternatively, use Smart DNS for content-only routing. Make sure to disable browser geolocation and unnecessary extensions that leak location. Once the site loads, keep the session secure and log out when finished. If problems persist, collect timestamps, server choices, and any error messages, then contact your provider's support for targeted help and provide those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.